we now talk about customizing our profile. Once we have signed up, like we just saw, we need to understand how do we customize our profile and make that account ours. And that's for that we go back to our Go High Level backend. Here we have it. So to customize the profile, I go to settings. In settings, you will find all the different options right here. So this is the business profile. You have a unique location ID. You can again update the business logo, the business name, a friendly business name, or maybe you can call it the brand name, the legal business name, the business logo. Let's talk about the business logo. The proposed size is 350 by 180, not bigger than 2.5 MB. So make sure that that's there. Then you have business email, business phone, a branded domain. You can add a branded domain. Basically, your custom domain is what it is talking about. Business website, business niche. You can select from the drop down what niche are you into, and you can update the information here. Then you have business type, business industry, business registration ID type, business registration number. If it's not registered, click on not registered. Business region of operations, Africa, Asia, Europe, Latin America, and so on.